Introducing the Labtek VIB Cough Vest LBTK-K-I 2000. Advanced HFCWO therapy designed to help patients clear their airways, improve lung function, and reclaim their quality of life. Breaks up stubborn secretions, moves mucus to central airways. High acceleration plus triangular waveform. Superior expectoration performance. Five operating modes, adapted for every patient. Quiet design, powerful therapy, less noise, more comfort. Ideal for CF, Bronchiectasis, COPD, and Neuromuscular conditions. Used in Respiratory, ICU, Pediatrics, surgery, and more. Breathe freer. Live better.